Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable one-click settings on Amazon Shopping app on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open Amazon Shopping app on your device. And then here you can click on profile icon at the bottom. After that, here you can click your account. And then you can scroll down. And then select one-click settings here. Okay, after that you can enable it like this. Okay, and then one-click settings on your Amazon account is successfully active. That's the tutorial on how to enable one-click settings on Amazon Shopping app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.